Today we're going to do a quick unboxing and review of the Flymile cage for the Insta360 X5. This is a metal cage that is very sturdy, well made, but not heavy. So it will protect your X5 as well as give you some nice extra features, such as a couple of cold shoe mounts for accessories like microphones or maybe a wireless receiver, that sort of thing, maybe a light. It also has multi-type of mount at the bottom where you can use either a 1/4-inch screw or you can pop it open to use GoPro type mounts. It includes a cover for your lenses as well that goes right over the top, and it's meant to fit right along with that cage, which some of them don't work with the cage, so this one's included, which is really nice. I keep a metal cage on all of my 360 cameras, and I can highly recommend this one from Flymile if you're in the market for one. Definitely check it out.